Kerala, a southwestern state in India, is a place where natural beauty knows no bounds. Imagine lush green landscapes, pristine beaches and serene backwaters. Picture vibrant cities juxtaposed with tranquil countryside. This is Kerala, a land where every turn reveals a new facet of its captivating charm. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by the sights, sounds and scents of this magical destination. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of spices. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze. The people of Kerala, known for their warmth and hospitality, welcome you with open arms. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation or cultural immersion, Kerala has something to offer every traveler. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer diversity of Kerala's landscapes. Towering mountains give way to rolling hills blanketed in tea plantations. The legendary backwaters, a network of canals and lagoons, offer a glimpse into a slower pace of life. And then there are the beaches stretching along the Arabian Sea, each one more stunning than the last. Kerala is a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place to reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in a new culture and create memories that will last a lifetime. So come, let's embark on a journey to discover the magic of Kerala together. As we transition from the lush landscapes, let's set sail into the heart of Kerala's most enchanting feature, the mystical backwaters. These serene waterways are more than just a network of rivers and lakes. They are the lifeblood of Kerala, weaving through the state like threads in a grand tapestry. Imagine gliding on a traditional houseboat known locally as a ketuvalam. As you drift through the tranquil waters, you're enveloped by a symphony of nature's sounds. The gentle lapping of water against the boat, the distant calls of exotic birds, and the rustling of palm leaves create an atmosphere of pure serenity. This is where time slows down, allowing you to savor each moment. The backwaters are lined with lush coconut groves and quaint villages where life moves at a slower pace. Fishermen cast their nets, children play by the water's edge, and women perform their daily chores with a grace that seems almost choreographed. It's a world where tradition and nature coexist in perfect harmony. But the backwaters are not just about scenic beauty, they are a vital ecosystem supporting a rich diversity of flora and fauna. From the elusive otter to the vibrant kingfisher, the backwaters are a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and birdwatchers. Each bend and curve of these waterways reveals a new facet of Kerala's natural splendor. As day turns to night, the backwaters transform into a realm of tranquility. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, reflecting off the water's surface like a canvas of dreams. Under the starlit sky, the backwaters become a place of reflection and connection, a sanctuary for the soul. So come, let's navigate these mystical waterways and uncover the hidden gems of Kerala's backwaters, where every ripple tells a story and every moment is a memory in the making. As we leave the mystical waterways behind, let's ascend into the heart of Kerala's lush and verdant highlands. Welcome to the enchanted forests and rolling hills that form the spine of this captivating state. Here the air is cooler, the atmosphere more serene, and the landscape an endless expanse of green. Imagine walking through dense forests where rays of sunlight filter through the thick canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The air is filled with the rich earthy scent of moss and foliage. Each step you take is accompanied by the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant call of exotic birds. This is the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. The hills of Munnar, Wayanad, and Thekadi are not just a feast for the eyes, they are a treasure trove of flora and fauna. Here you might catch a glimpse of the elusive Nilgiri tahr or the majestic Indian elephant. The forests are a living, breathing entity home to countless species of plants, many of which have medicinal properties that have been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. As you explore deeper, you come across pristine waterfalls cascading down rocky cliffs, their waters sparkling in the sunlight. These natural wonders are not just picturesque, they are vital sources of life for the surrounding ecosystems. The rhythmic sound of water crashing against rocks is both invigorating and calming, a reminder of nature's raw power and serene beauty. But the highlands are not just about dense forests and wildlife, they are also home to sprawling tea and spice plantations. Imagine walking through endless rows of tea bushes, the air filled with the aromatic scent of fresh tea leaves. The sight of workers skillfully plucking the tender leaves is a testament to the age-old traditions that thrive in these hills. The spice plantations, with their heady mix of cardamom, pepper and vanilla, offer a sensory experience like no other. As the day draws to a close, the hills are bathed in a golden hue, and the cool breeze carries the scent of pine and eucalyptus. The setting sun casts long shadows, creating a magical ambience that is both peaceful and awe-inspiring. It's a place where you can lose yourself in nature's embrace, finding solace and rejuvenation. So come, let's wander through Kerala's enchanted forests and hills, where every path leads to a new discovery and every moment is a celebration of nature's grandeur. As we descend from the enchanted hills, we arrive at the heartland of Kerala's cultural and historical treasures. Welcome to Kerala's crown jewels, where every monument and relic tells a story of a rich and diverse heritage. First, let us step into the age-old palaces that once housed the Maharajas. These architectural marvels, with their intricate woodwork and majestic courtyards, offer a glimpse into the opulent lives of Kerala's royalty. The Padmanabhapuram Palace, with its granite dance halls and intricate murals, stands as a testament to the artistic finesse of a bygone era. Next, we journey to the ancient temples, where the air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of devotional hymns. The Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple, one of the richest temples in the world, is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of Kerala's spiritual wealth. Its towering gopurams and sacred sanctums are adorned with exquisite carvings that depict stories from Hindu mythology. Kerala's crown jewels also include the historic forts and colonial mansions that dot the landscape. The Bakal Fort, perched on a cliff overlooking the Arabian Sea, offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking. Its massive walls and secret tunnels whisper tales of battles and conquests. But the jewels of Kerala are not confined to its architectural marvels. The traditional art forms and festivals are equally captivating. Witness the mesmerizing Kathakali performances, where dancers in elaborate costumes and makeup enact stories from the epics with expressive gestures and movements. The vibrant Theyyam rituals, with their colorful costumes and dramatic performances, are a visual spectacle that leaves an indelible mark. As we explore these cultural treasures, we realize that Kerala's crown jewels are not just relics of the past, but living traditions that continue to thrive. They are a celebration of the state's rich history, artistic heritage, and spiritual depth. So come, let's uncover the crown jewels of Kerala, where every monument, every ritual, and every performance is a dazzling gem in the tapestry of time. A culinary journey, Kerala's flavorful bounty. No exploration of Kerala is complete without savoring its culinary delights. Kerala cuisine is a harmonious blend of flavors and aromas, reflecting the region's rich cultural heritage and abundance of fresh produce. From spicy seafood curries to sweet and savory snacks, Kerala offers a culinary adventure for every palate. Start your day with the traditional Kerala breakfast of appam and stew. Appam, a type of fermented rice pancake, is soft and fluffy with crispy edges. Pair it with a flavorful stew, either vegetarian or non-vegetarian, for a satisfying start to your day. For lunch, indulge in a traditional sadhya, a vegetarian feast served on a banana leaf. The sadhya typically consists of a variety of dishes, including rice, sambar, rasam, curries, pickles and payasam, a sweet dessert. The combination of flavors and textures is simply divine, and no trip to Kerala would be complete without sampling the fresh seafood. From grilled prawns to fish curries, Kerala's coastal cuisine is a seafood lover's paradise. Head to a local eatery and savor the catch of the day, cooked to perfection with aromatic spices and coconut milk. Don't miss the street food stalls and bustling markets, where you can taste a variety of local snacks and sweets. Sustainable serenity, traveling with a conscience. Kerala is not just a beautiful destination, it's also a leader in sustainable tourism. The state has made significant strides in preserving its natural beauty and cultural heritage, making it an ideal destination for responsible travelers. From eco-friendly resorts to community-based tourism initiatives, Kerala offers numerous ways to experience the destination while minimizing your impact. Consider staying at an eco-friendly resort that prioritizes sustainability. These resorts often use renewable energy sources, practice water conservation, and support local communities. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, surrounded by lush greenery. You step out onto your balcony, overlooking a tranquil lake, and take a deep breath of fresh air. This is the beauty of staying at an eco-friendly resort in Kerala, a chance to connect with nature while minimizing your footprint. Another way to experience Kerala sustainably is through community-based tourism initiatives. These initiatives allow you to interact directly with local communities, learn about their culture and traditions, and contribute directly to their livelihoods. Whether it's participating in a cooking demonstration with a local family or learning about traditional crafts, community-based tourism offers an authentic and enriching experience. By choosing sustainable tourism options, you can help preserve the beauty of Kerala for generations to come. So pack your bags, embrace responsible travel practices, and embark on a journey that benefits both you and the destination. Sustainable travel is not just a trend, it's a necessity for the future of our planet.